The house in 10 years can be surrounded by watching the sun. The roof is solar. You'll never have to pay an electricity bill again. Also, the roof folds down. It can be made transparent at the touch of a button. You can sunbathe in the room. True ventilation and light. The glass has its own wiper. Can be cleaned automatically. The window can be extended to become a balcony. Relaxation and light at the same time. Automatic wardrobe collection on the balcony. Clothes can be collected automatically when it rains. Exterior walls can be slid open. Open during the day for ventilation. Closed at night for insulation. Automatic cleaning with wall climbing robots on the outside. Every day is a new house. The walls can be switched to a vegetable garden at the touch of a button. Clean the air and grow vegetables to eat. Folding basketball hoops can be installed on the outside walls. Able to play sports without compromising on aesthetics. The garage floor is equipped with wireless charging. Also equipped with an automatic car wash. You can leave the house clean and dry every day. Canopy opens automatically when it rains. Keeps out the elements and keeps the yard dry. There is also a watering system in the yard. Fully automatic watering of plants and vegetables. Electricity in the courtyard. Electricity is provided by a wind turbine on the wall. The house can also be moved. When you want to go on a trip, the car is ready to go as soon as it is hooked up. When you arrive at the tourist destination, the transformation begins at the touch of a button. In 10 minutes, a fully equipped villa is automatically set up. An alarm system is set up in the grounds. Automatic warning of a burglar break-in. When you return home from a trip, the intelligence system automatically turns on the lights, adjusts the room temperature. Coffee will be ready when you get home. Wouldn't you like to own such a perfect home?